Guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out another product from Maono Audio. Today we've got their DGM20 series gaming LED light up microphone in the home office, and we're going to take you through the features and of course do a sound test. So unlike previous Maono Audio microphones we've looked at in the past, this one is boom mic mounted, so it's on a stand, very easy to install. The box comes with everything you need to get set up and going, and getting the entire thing hooked up on my desk and plugged into my computer took less than 2 minutes. And the great feature about this Maono device is it not only has a traditional USB plug, but it has a 2-in-1 USB-C to USB mic. So you can actually plug it right into a brand new Mac, for example, my new MacBook Air with M2, and it just works. It automatically configures itself, and it's just plug and play. Maono makes it so easy to get up and going with their products. You cannot beat it. So let's talk about features. So like a lot of other Maono Audio products, this guy has one-tap noise reduction built into the top of the mic. It has built-in mic gain on the bottom of the mic. And like all of Maono's products, of course, it has a very high sensitivity cardioid pickup, so it's great for picking up your voice. You don't even have to get all that close to it for it to work well. Now, with this being one of their gamer series devices, it does have the RGB LED lights built in. You can change them for a bunch of different settings. It's very easy to do. Again, much like the one-tap noise reduction, there is an adjustment button right on the top. And for the non-gamers like myself, you can turn it off with just a few taps, and then it's just a pleasant looking microphone. You can get this mic in either black or white. I happen to have the black version right here on my desk, and I think it looks pretty good. Build quality, maybe not the highest quality that we've seen from Maono. This is a plastic microphone. They do build some incredible quality metal microphone enclosures. This one's a little bit on the cheaper end, but functionally it does everything you need it to do. And of course, because this one, unlike most microphones, is on that boom stand, you get a lot more adjustability and flexibility as to where you place it, where it's located when you're either streaming, podcasting, recording, doing a YouTube video like we are now, etc. It's got that adjustability and flexibility so you can move it around and get the angle that you need to pick up your voice perfectly. So what does it sound like? Well, surprise, I've actually been recording on it this entire time. As you can see, here is the mic. It's just affixed to the side of my desk and pointed over here, and we've got a nice record angle going on. And you can see I'm not that close to it, but the audio quality is crisp, it's clear, it sounds natural, very good pickup, as I already mentioned, and it does a great job of eliminating background noise. Before I set up and did this record, I did a number of different audio tests to make sure that I wasn't gonna pooch the audio quality this time. The gain is perfectly configured, didn't need that much adjustment. And yeah, like I said, super easy to just plug and play, and it just works so well. Let me quickly show you the different light settings. I'll just tap and toggle through right here. And there we go. Press and hold if you don't want to use any of the lights to turn it off. Again, I'm not really a gamer, so this is how I will probably prefer to use this device on my desk setup. And again, with it being on that boom arm, tons of flexibility. Right now I'm kind of in the middle of my desk, but if I wanted to position it over on that side or over on this side, just very easy, unscrew and move. You're ready to go again in a matter of seconds. So would I recommend Maono's DGM20 series mic for you? Yes, of course. We've reviewed a number of Maono audio products on the channel before, and they sound fantastic. They have great audio quality, they're so easy to use, and they're flexible. Again, you can use it with either traditional USB or USB-C, so whether you get an older or a newer device, plug and play, one-click setup, auto configures, and then you can use whatever audio recording device of your choice on your machine to pick up the audio and take that into your videos, your streams, your podcasts, whatever you might be doing. This is a very flexible content creator device, and it's a great value for money. Right now, this microphone is retailing for under 80 Canadian dollars, so that's probably like in the 55, 60 US dollar range. Extremely affordable. You can check it out at the link down below in the description. Thank you to our friends at Maono for sending over yet another amazing device to test out. I am being given this product for free to test, but their products are great quality. I cannot recommend them enough, especially if you are just getting started in the content creation scene. These are the most budget-friendly mics you can get, and they sound really good. Now, again, as I mentioned, Maono has a whole range of different mics available. This one is not necessarily the highest quality in terms of build and material. As I said, it's plastic construction, but they have some fantastic mics made of even more durable and more robust material. I'll link down below as well, in addition to this mic, all of their other mics, so you can go and check them out, and you can shop depending on what your need is and get the mic that's perfect for you. What do you guys think about the audio and the build quality of this DGM20 series mic? Let me know down in the comments and let's have a conversation. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.